Today we are making two very Korean comfort foods. The first one is Kimchi Jjigae, a spicy Korean kimchi stew made with kimchi, pork, and spam. And the second dish is rolled omelette with string cheese inside. Simple, comforting, and very common in Korean homes. For today's epilogue, we'll also show you a famous Korean tteokbokki restaurant that was selected for the Michelin Bib Gourmand guide. I'm not sure if I pronounced Bib Gourmand correctly though. Usually, Korean kimchi stew is made with either pork or tuna, but today we decided to use both pork and spam to make the flavor richer. Spam goes really well with rice, which is probably why it became so popular in many Asian countries. I've heard it's not quite as popular outside of Asia though. Is that true? Let us know in the comments if you like spam or not. You know the phrase soul food. I think the food we are making today is probably soul food for many Koreans. Kimchi Jjigae can taste very different depending on how it's made. Some versions are spicy and slightly sweet, while others are more sour and tangy. Everyone has their own preference. But for many Koreans, it's probably a dish that reminds them of home. At least it does for me. Rolled omelette exists in both Japan and Korea, but in Korea people seem to enjoy adding different ingredients inside. And honestly, cheese and eggs are almost always a good combination, so this time we decided to add cheese. If there is an ingredient you'd like to experiment with, give it a try. I forgot to mention this earlier, but kimchi stew tastes much deeper when it's made with aged kimchi. So if you have old kimchi at home, you should definitely try making it. Personally, I think kimchi stew and rolled omelette make a perfect combination. One is strong and flavorful, while the other is soft and mild. For me, it's one of the best Korean homemade meal combinations. I think every country has certain foods that children especially love. And in Korea, I think the seaweed is definitely one of them. It's really good with rice. I've also noticed that many foreign tourists buy Korean seaweed as a souvenir. So if you ever visit Korea, you should definitely try some.
Best couple.
Wow, look at the cheese ball. That looks so good. You could eat it with rice, but honestly, I think it would also make a really good snack with drinks at home. Now let us show you the Bib Gourmand restaurant we mentioned earlier. It's a place called Cheongjikgan, located in Busan. They even have lockers where you can store your luggage. The prices are reasonable too, and we left the Google Maps link in the comments for anyone interested. I wish this were a sponsored video, but sadly it's not, so hopefully one day we can get sponsorships too. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.